Hello! So this is the 19th floor of the Taj Mahal Hotel and the room is the deluxe room with a sea view. As soon as you enter the room, there is this safe on the left side which is very common in the hotel rooms. And these are the extra pillows in case you need it. Then on the right side of the entrance, there is this spacious bathroom. These are the accessories where we have the dryer, moisturizer, toothpaste, toothbrush, whatever you need. And this is how the room looks through the window of the bathroom. On the left, this is the cupboard, as you can see, and we also have an iron stand in this cupboard. In case there is any urgency to iron your clothes, you can get it from here. Then these are the in-room supplies of tea and coffee. In this cute little box, you'll get all the tea bags and sugar bags. And this is the coffee filter. Well, that's the refrigerator. There is this milk in this. And this is the room. Let me show you the room from different angles. Then there is this study desk where you can sit and work for the whole day. Then there is me. And well, that is the bathroom. And now the most interesting part of the room, the balcony, which has a view to the Arabian Sea. So that's the first gate through which you can enter into the balcony, which is not so spacious, but that's a very cute balcony I've ever seen. And then there is this another window, and there is the Gateway of India. I hope you liked this video. Do comment and share your experiences. Bye bye.